Hey guys, back with another video from my addicted blogging channel. So do you know that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 comes with an inbuilt SOS feature which can be activated when you will be in trouble and can save your life. And also the SOS feature is inbuilt in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 itself. So for this you don't need to download any third-party app to activate this feature. Also you can configure this SOS feature with any of the Android device. You don't need any Samsung Android phone to configure this feature. So we will see how to activate this SOS feature in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, whether it is useful enough or not, what are its features, and also whether it can really save our life in the time of trouble. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. To activate the SOS feature, you need to download the Galaxy Wearable app first, which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and this app you will be getting in the Play Store. After you have downloaded, you need to just configure and connect the watch first with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and once you have connected the watch, you need to go to the watch settings here, and in the watch settings you need to just scroll down and you will be getting the option of advanced features. In the advanced feature you will get the option of SOS. So this is the option which you need to configure first. So SOS feature can be activated from the Galaxy Wearable app, and also it can be activated from the watch. So if you want to activate this from the watch itself, you just need to go to the settings here also in the watch, and once you are in the settings you will be getting the option of advanced feature here also, and here you can select the SOS feature and activate the SOS feature from the watch itself. So let's configure first the SOS feature in the Galaxy Wearable app. So after you come to the advanced features and the SOS option, you will get the option to activate the SOS feature. So there are two options. The SOS feature will be activated when home key will be pressed 3 times and also when the hard fall will be detected. So to activate it, obviously you need to turn on both the options. So once you turn on the option, you will be getting a prompt where it will ask that whether you want to activate this feature or not. You have to agree, and here also for the hard fall detected it will give you a prompt, and also it will ask for your consent to collect the location data which will be sent while sending the SOS message. So you just need to click on agree, and also here you need to configure the numbers and messages where the SOS message will be sent along with the location of you, so that the person who will be getting the message knows the location and can track you and also call you at the same time. So here you just need to configure the emergency contacts. So in the same message you just need to select the contact where the SOS message will be sent. I will be selecting my contact to show you guys whether it is working or not, and also there is the option of making SOS call. So I have selected my number only in both the places to show you how the SOS feature works. So after you have configured this option, let's see whether this is working or not. So whenever you will be in trouble or you are in danger, you can click the button 3 times, which is the home button, and the SOS feature will be activated. So let's press this button 3 times and see what happens. So once you press the button 3 times, you will be seeing that the emergency contact will be immediately called, and the emergency contact will be called from your watch. That means you can talk to the person immediately, and also one message will be sent to the emergency contact. So here you can see it is collecting the location data and my watch is vibrating and the SMS message has been sent. So I will show you the SMS message right now. So I have received 2 messages from the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 right now, which is that I need emergency help, and also the location data of mine, which is the map location data which has been collected via this watch. So if I open the Google Maps, it will show you the location data of me, and obviously the location data will be sent at an interval so that the other person can track you and reach to you at the same time. And here you can see a red SOS icon will be there, where it will be showing the sharing location with Devakalpa. So the contact which you have set for emergency, it will be sharing the location with that contact, and definitely it will be sharing the location in the intervals of time. So this is the SOS feature which you can configure in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and use it when you will be in trouble. And once done, you can obviously stop the SOS feature. To stop the SOS feature, you just need to click on this option or notification and click on stop sharing. That will stop the SOS feature. And here are some other things which you can do with the SOS feature. So if you go to the SOS feature, when you will be clicking on when home key pressed 3 times, you will also get an option of countdown before sending. So what it will do is it will wait for 5 seconds before sending the SOS message, because sometimes we can press the home button accidentally. So we can get a countdown of 5 seconds to cancel the SOS feature if we want. So it can be useful also, so I will recommend you to enable it. Also, you will be getting the option of high sensitivity in the heart fall detection. So there is a sensitivity option also in the heart fall detection. So sometimes you can drop the watch and the SOS feature can be activated. So if you don't want to make the SOS feature activated whenever there is a vigorous activity with the watch or movement in the watch, you can turn off the high sensitivity option so that the SOS feature will be only activated when a real heart fall is detected. Otherwise, if you click on high sensitivity, if you just move the watch, the SOS feature can be activated. So I will recommend you to turn it off. So these are the 2 extra features which you can configure while configuring the SOS feature. So the SOS feature is a really useful feature in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and it can really save your life when you will be in a trouble or you are in danger. So I will recommend you to activate the SOS feature in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and definitely use it when you will be in need of it. So that's it guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.